Pick up the excavation where measurements are made in square meters for payment. A. Ordinary cuttings up to 1 m. B. Surface dressing up to 15 cm depths. C. Surface excavation up to 30 cm depths. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. The expected outturn of 2.5 cm cement concrete floor per manson per day. A. 2.5 sq.m. B. 5.0 sq.m. C. 7.5 sq.m. D. 10 sq.m. The correct answer is 7.5 sq.m. A portion of an embankment having a uniform upgradient 1 in 500 is circular with radius 1000 m of the center line. It subtends 180 degrees at the center. If the height of the bank is 1 m at the lower end, and side slopes to 1, the earthwork involved. A. 26000 m3. B. 26500 m3. C. 27000 m3. D. 27500 m3. The correct answer is 27500 m3. The correct prismoidal formula for volume is A. D. First area plus last area plus even area plus 2 odd areas. B. First area plus last area plus 4 even area plus 2 odd areas. C. First area plus last area plus 2 even area plus 4 odd areas. D. First area plus last area plus 2 even area plus 4 odd areas. The correct answer is first area plus last area plus 4 even area plus 2 odd areas. The order of booking dimensions is A. Length breadth height. B. Breadth length height. C. Height breadth length. D. None of these. The correct answer is length breadth height. As per Indian standard specifications, the peak discharge for domestic purposes per capita per minute is taken. A. 1.80 liters for 5 to 10 users. B. 1.20 liters for 15 users. C. 1.35 for 20 users. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. The bent up bars at a support resist the negative bending moment. B. The bent up bars at a support resist the shearing force. C. The bending of bars near supports is generally at 45 degrees. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. The brickwork is measured in sq meter, in case of A. Honeycombed brickwork. B. Brick flat soling. C. Half brick walls or the partition. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Brick walls are measured in sq.m if the thickness of the wall is A. 10 cm. B. 15 cm. C. 20 cm. D. None of these. The correct answer is 10 cm. In case of laying gullies, siphons, intercepting traps, the cost includes A. Setting and laying. B. Bed concreting. C. Connection to drains. D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. In long and short wall method of estimation, the length of long wall is the center-to-center distance between the walls and A. Breadth of the wall. B. Half breadth of wall on each side. C. 1/4 breadth of wall on each side. D. None of these. The correct answer is half breadth of wall on each side. The height of the sink of wash basin above floor level is kept A. 60 cm. B. 70 cm. C. 75 cm to 80 cm. D. 80 cm. The correct answer is 75 cm to 80 cm. While preparing a detailed estimate, A. Dimension should be measured correct to 0.01 m. B. Area should be measured correct to 0.01 sq.m. C. Volume should be measured correct to O.all com. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. The expected outturn of cement concrete 1, 2, 4 per mason per day is A. 1.5 m3, B. 2.5 m3, C. 3.5 m3, D. 5.0 m3. The correct answer is 5.0 m3. For 12 mm thick cement plastering 1/6 on 100 sq.m new brickwork, the quantity of cement required is A. 0.200 m3, B. 0.247 m3, C. 0.274 m3, D. 0.295 m3. The correct answer is 0.274 m3. The minimum width of a septic tank is taken A. 70 cm, B. 75 cm, C. 80 cm, D. 90 cm. The correct answer is 75 cm. The item of the brick structure measured in sq.m. is A. Reinforced brickwork, B. Broken glass coping, C. Brick edging, D. Brickwork in arches. The correct answer is broken glass coping. The value of C of Indian type WC shown in the given figure is A. 400 mm, B. 450 mm, C. 500 mm, D. 550 mm. The correct answer is 500 mm. The area of a sloping surface of a protective embankment of mean height d, side slopes s1 and length l is A. dx dx, B. d2x ds2, C. l.d1 plus s2, d2 ld1 plus s2. The correct answer is l.d1 plus s2. If the formation level of a highway has a uniform gradient for a particular length, and the ground is also having a longitudinal slope, the earthwork may be calculated by A. midsection formula, B. trapezoidal formula, C. prismoidal formula, D. all the above. The correct answer is all the above. The most reliable estimate is A. detailed estimate, B. preliminary estimate, C. plinth area estimate, D. cube rate estimate. The correct answer is detailed estimate. The expected outturn of 12 mm plastering with cement mortar is A. 2.5 sq.m, B. 4.0 sq.m, C. 6.0 sq.m, D. 8.0 sq.m. The correct answer is 8.0 sq.m. The damp-proof course D.P.C is measured in A. cub.m, B. sq.m, C. meters, D. none of these. The correct answer is sq.m. The reduced levels of points 30 meters apart along the longitudinal section of a road portion between chainages 5 and 9 are shown in the given figure. If there is a uniform upgradient of the road 120 in 1, the chainage of the point with no filling or cutting is A. 6 plus 15 chains, B. 6 plus 12 chains, C. 6 plus 18 chains, D. none of these. The correct answer is 6 plus 12 chains. The area is measured correct to the nearest A. 0.01 sq.m, B. 0.02 sq.m, C. 0.03 sq.m, D. 0.04 sq.m. The correct answer is 0.01 sq.m. The volume is measured correct to the nearest A. 0.01 cum, B 0.02 km, C 0.03 km, D 0.04 km. The correct answer is 0.01 km. Pick up the correct statement from the following. The earthwork of cutting in trenches or borrow pits in fairly uniform ground is measured with the help of average depths of the dead men. B. The earthwork in trenches or borrow pits in irregular ground is measured by taking the difference in levels before and after completion of work. C. The earthwork in trenches or borrow pits where neither A nor B is feasible are measured from the fillings after deduction of voids. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. The total length of a cranked bar through a distance d at 45 degrees in case of a beam of effective length L is AL plus 0.42 d, BL plus 2x 0.42 d, CL 0.42 d, DL 2x 0.4 d. The correct answer is L plus 2x 0.42 d. While estimating a reinforced cement structure, the omitted cover of concrete is assumed. A. At the end of reinforcing bar not less than 25 mm or twice the diameter of the bar. B. In thin slabs 12 mm minimum or diameter of the bar whichever is more. C. For reinforcing longitudinal bar in a beam 25 mm minimum or diameter of the largest bar which is more. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. The excavation exceeding 1.5 m in width and 10 sq.m in plan area with a depth not exceeding 30 cm is termed as A. Excavation, B. Surface dressing, C. Cutting, D. Surface excavation. The correct answer is surface excavation. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. A. Dimensions are measured to the nearest 0.01 m. B. Areas are measured to the nearest 0.01 sq.m. C. Cubic contents are measured to the nearest 0.1 cm m. D. Weights are measured to the nearest 0.001 tons. The correct answer is cubic contents are measured to the nearest 0.1 cm m. The measurement is not made in square meters in case of A. D.P.C. damp-proof course, B. Form works, C. Concrete jough fries, D. R.C. chajja. The correct answer is R.C. chajja. According to ISI method of measurement, the order of the sequence is A. Length breadth height, B. Breadth length height, C. Height length breadth, D. None of these. The correct answer is length breadth height. The assumption on which the trapezoidal formula for volumes is based is A. The end sections are parallel planes, B. The mid area of a pyramid is half the average area of the ends, C. The volume of the prismoidal is overestimated and hence a prismoidal correction is applied. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. The detention period in a septic tank is assumed. A. 20 minutes, B. 25 minutes, C. 30 minutes, D. 40 minutes. The correct answer is 30 minutes.